Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Doogee X55 to your Android smartphone, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store and the search pool type CLONEit, and we have to get this application. So click install, do the same on this Android phone. When you get it, you can open it. Click open on your Doogee. Click allow 2 times. And right now we have to read the description. Click yes, we agree. Click sender on your Doogee. Click OK. Use this switcher, then just go back. Click sender. Click allow. And tap receiver on your Android phone. Click search again. And right now they are looking for each other, so we have to wait. Be patient. And here we got our Doogee, so just click here. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons. And then just tap start. But if you want to get some details, maybe you want to send one video, one song, or something like that, go here. And I'm going to select these 2 songs. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!